Today, we're diving into the world of AI and productivity. In this video, we'll show you how to summarize YouTube videos using ChatGPT. This method can save you time and help you quickly grasp the main points of a video. Let's get started. First, go on YouTube and find the video you want to summarize. Next, copy the transcript of the video. To do this, scroll down to the description of the video and click on More to expand it. Then click on Show Transcript. This will open a transcript tab on the right side of your screen, just beside your video. Toggle timestamp and copy the transcript. Once you have done that, head over to the ChatGPT website or open the app on your device. Paste the copied transcript into the chat box and give ChatGPT a clear instruction. For example, you can say, "Summarize this video," then click Enter. ChatGPT will generate a summary based on your instructions. Review the summary carefully. If it's not accurate or detailed enough, you can provide additional prompts or context. And there you have it. You've successfully summarized a YouTube video using ChatGPT. Give it a try and let us know how it works for you in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tech guides.